of Rose and Gold. Of course, I'm your host, Dr. Ross, and Black King Sebastian is out right now on location doing a photo shoot right now. He's the photographer. But let's get straight into our hot topics. For our first hot topic, we want to talk about how they were saying Vixen Amber Rose and her, apparently they're calling it her king, Alexander, flex bikini photos in Cabo. All I want to say is, Amber Rose, we're so glad you finally put a cap and a baseball cap on your head, because I don't know how many people lied to you and told you the tattoo looked good, but it did not look good. So glad you're wearing the hats. Keep it up, or just remove the tattoo completely.
You comfortable? Get your Oh my God, I thought he was dead.
On to our next hot topic. We have Kendall Jenner was the first person to be ready to end the show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. All I have to say about this is, we're glad that you are ending the Keeping Up with the Kardashians, because Black King Sebastian and I will be making the next Keeping Up with Dr. Ross and Black King. And Kendall Jenner, you're like Kylie Jenner. You weren't really on the show all that much. The main stars, we don't want to hurt your feelings, but the main stars were Kim, Kourtney, and Khloe, and Kim was the main one.
Hey guys, it's Kendall Jenner. Come get into bed with me.
No, I don't think I will.
And continuing on Kendall Jenner, I don't know about Kendall Jenner and Kylie Jenner having too much to say about Keeping Up with the Kardashians. It should be more Kim and Kris really deciding what's happening, because the show is called Keeping Up with the Kardashians, not the Jenners right now, and you guys are hardly in the show. Kendall, you come in and you get a soda and you walk out, so I don't know if this would really be a disadvantage if the show went off for you, so of course you're going to be happy about that. On our next hot topic, we have Lil Wayne's girlfriend calls him a dream come true in sweet birthday tribute and calls him her best friend. All I want to say is, Lil Wayne, god damn, where did you find her?
So you see, that's where the trouble began. That smile.
Did you find her on the side of the street? No, we're not gonna even talk about this. Happy birthday, Lil Wayne, but no. And Hennessy Carolina. So recently you decided to just bleach your hair white, like you got electrocuted. Don't do it. You look like a 90-year-old lady. You gotta take it out. I don't know who lied to you and told you it looks good, but take it out, Hennessy. It does not look good.
Holy mo.
And Machine Gun Kelly, nobody even knew who you were. Nobody really caught up with your music until you started dating Megan Fox. And Megan Fox is probably going to make your sales for music go down. Nobody's going to even start listening to your music. The only good thing is that she has a little bit of cheddar and she just runs around like a bubblehead. But Megan Fox, you can't sing. You can't make music. You're not talented with the instruments. Don't do it. It's a thumbs down. Both of you guys, just no more music. Just calm down and keep pretending that you guys are this cute couple while Brian Austin Green is over there screaming at the TV. This is the same thing with Miley Cyrus and Cody Simpson. It seems like he's trying to get a come up by dating someone who's popular and a vixen. Miley Cyrus is not a vixen. But you know what I mean, trying to get a come up with someone who's more popular. That's all we're going to say about that topic. Not to switch the gears too much from the hot topics, but we do want to mention that the Dallas Cowboys, they lost today, so it was obviously not the coaching, it was just the plain team right then and there. And we do have to say there is some good news for the Stars though, because the Dallas Stars are still going for the win. They're trying to get the Stanley Cup. Hopefully they win it. That's going to be a win for Dallas as a whole, because the Dallas Cowboys are messing around right now. But let's get into our last and final hot topic. So for our last hot topic, we have quarantine made Jada Pinkett Smith realize that she doesn't actually know Will. Stop saying this, Jada. Stop saying it. The amount of times that we've heard Jada Pinkett Smith say that she doesn't know Will is astronomical. We're gonna be real with you. Invite us onto your Red Table Talk so that we can straighten you out and tell you a little bit of 2 cents. Will Smith, and just read my lips, he doesn't love you, Jada. He doesn't love you. Because Will Smith, he doesn't really like any other girls. He likes, you guys already know. You guys can say it's a hamburger, an entanglement, an onion ring, whatever you want, but everyone already knows you guys are not together.
Hair back in.
I'm an adventurer.
And on a side note, if you guys haven't watched the recent Dancing with the Stars, please take a second to watch it. They had a lot of young contestants on there. They did fantastic, but the one person that just had us all laughing and all over Twitter was the Skai Jackson. If you don't know her, she's from Disney Channel, and she basically just almost ended this man's career, yanked him by the hair and scissor kicked him in the neck when she went down, and we are laughing along with the rest of the crew. Skai Jackson, calm yourself. Calm yourself. Hello everyone, and before we close it off, we're going to talk about our horoscope for today. Today's horoscope is Libra, September 27, 2020. Here's your reading. Who knew that someone's absence could make you feel so good? Don't be ashamed to breathe a sigh of relief when someone you don't like very much isn't on the scene today and may never bother you again. It's not like you, so you probably won't wish them well, but just take a second to not stress over it, because the person that you may be pushing out of your life may be the person that you really need right now. That was our horoscope for Libra today. So all the Libras out there, if your birthday is today, happy birthday. Make sure to listen to our daily horoscope every single day. And these were all of our hot topics. Don't forget to tune into our rose and gold Jamaican hair products and hair gel and the Rasta clothing line. And these are the Dolomite glasses with the horses on the side. And as always, don't forget to tune into the next She's Hot winner. These were all of our hot topics, and we out.